This is Tim Willis, and I'm throwing with a copy of OBS and a built-in laptop microphone. This is another video from the Nomad Funnelhacker. We are looking at a program called Click Designs, which is my preferred graphics editor. Click Designs is a program you have to pay for, and we are not really going to be talking about Click Designs in this video, except to show where I got this image from. And the image is actually free. I just happened to search through it through Click Design because I have a subscription and it's my main graphics editor. This picture actually came from Unsplash, which I can search through Click Designs. And Unsplash is a free site where you can get royalty-free pictures you can use in your project. Now, because I have Click Designs, I could easily select this image, use the AI image editor, and remove the background. And that's great for me, but it might not be great for you if you don't have a subscription to Click Designs or some program that has a background remover. So what I'm going to demonstrate is how you can use another program to remove backgrounds for free. So what we're going to be using is a program called Adobe Express, which has a free and a paid version. And all you need to do to access the free version is get an Adobe ID, which is also free from Adobe, and then you can access any Adobe program, whether it's paid or free, with that Adobe ID. Once you have signed in to Adobe Express and gone through the initial setup of answering some questions, you'll be looking at this main desktop here. And right down here, you should have a list of quick access to tools. And we have one called Remove Background. And so this is the background remover. I am going to import my picture. And we'll just see how it does. Okay. And there we go. We've got the background removed now. The only asterisk on this is that Adobe Express is going to save the image you just modified under the same file name as the original image. So if you try to export this to the same folder it came from in Windows, you're going to get the little message about which image you want to keep. So you might want to have a little, what I call a catcher folder, just to drop these images in so you can rename them or not have to deal with making that choice of which one to keep. In any case, we are going to download. And you can see there's the original export from Click Designs. And this is the one that we just created and modified in Adobe Express. So you can see it basically, as far as file name, just duplicated the file name. So you'll just drop that wherever you want to on your computer. And now you have removed the background image for absolutely free. So that's really all I wanted to show on this video, is how you can use Adobe Express to remove background images for free. So if you liked the video, please like and subscribe, because we are all rearranging deck chairs on the RMS algorithm. And on that, my name is Tim Willis. I'm a certified ClickFunnels funnel builder, make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, web page design, market research, and the various tools we use, which in this case is Adobe Express, to do our work. That's the video for now. I will talk to you later.